Simon! You get some type of joy out of yelling at me? We need to talk about your report card. Oh yeah, I got all A's, I know. Oh really? Then why does it say here in one class that you got an A minus? Are we really doing this today? Yes! How could you get an A minus in a class? Still counts as an A! There's an A right there! Oh please, when I was in school, an A minus was basically an F. You know there are people in my grade that would kill for a C, right? How are you gonna get into a good school with grades like this? I'm already in college and I'm about to graduate. What are you talking about? I can't deal with this. I'm gonna call your teacher and I'm gonna apologize for this because this is embarrassing.
Ring, ring.
Hello? Hello, Professor. This is Simon's mom. Trust me, I know. I just want to apologize for my son's low grade in your class. But why? You should be proud. He scored the highest in my class. Now you're... Huh? Yeah, no one ever gets an A in physics, so... Can I call you back? Get help. So how'd that go? You're a genius. Oh, I know.